actually feel good. I bet this is how you become one with the earth. For all mankind to see. This is proof. This is pure. And you become fish. One.
Rate your drip. Rate his drip. Rate his drip.
Rate my drip.
It's like a 4.
It's a 10 to me.
4.
I think a 4 because you got them ugly ass cross signs.
Oh.
This is make sure you come to Puerto Rico.
And this is the inside of the hotel. You got a little casino in the back. They got the little fish. If you don't want to see it. Got a little diner, but that's the way to the beach. If y'all can see the water from here. And then they got a little restaurant in here. Another little restaurant here. Some little private event. And they got these real cool fish. Come check them out. And the casino. That's the kingfish. Finding Nemo. Here go the other tank. Door. Cheers. We got the main big dog. And they got the casino over there. Should I go win something? Let me stop before I lose. So this right here is the inside to the Airbnb that we staying in. Nice little vibe, piano floors. Black and white, just like dancer, you know what I'm saying? Cow colors. And then we got a little like open shutter door. Look like we in jail. But I get like New Orleans French Quarter vibes from this, like small little stove, refrigerator. And then you walk out here. And this is where you have like, you can dry your clothes and everything. Another little storage area. So like a little bathroom. Small bathroom. And they got one of the little guest bedrooms in here. One of the guest bedrooms. Two more beats, I'm saying it. This one. Yeah. And they got a little chair right here, a little lawn chair right here. There. They got nice little bank, a yard up here. So, pretty neat little place. It's like a shotgun house, pretty long. You don't expect much to be in it, but it does the job. You got this room to finish it off. Nice little cute house to get the job done and do all the work. And I can show you the softball. Everybody sees the softball. And I can show you the outside. So like walk in. You got like a code to get in. You gotta open the key. And they got like other rooms, like a hotel, a little Airbnb. Nice little joint. So yeah, that's it. I'm in love with this little dog. They wanna say hey. Love you, yeah. Oh, dang, he leaving. Dang, he ain't feeling her. He ain't feeling her. He wasn't feeling her. And they got a little bar at night. That little bar was popping last night. To the right. We're going over here to go get dinner. So, it does make it convenient as the street is quiet. Oh yeah. We're gonna be pulling up to this church Sunday, you know what I'm saying? But it does make it convenient that the street is blocked off. Quiet hours is like 9 o'clock. Close to everything down early over here. So you better start finding food around like 7 o'clock. And they got a little rooftop little restaurant, and we're going to hit us through this time out. So I'll let y'all know what we find out.
Not on camera. Not on camera. I'm just out of thinking. Why?
Chanel, give us a food review.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, y'all. What's your favorite meal? Or favorite food? Oh, huh? Who's better? Bobby Lashley or Batista? Yeah. This man said Batista. Yeah, he really did though. What Bobby Lashley had? That, like, did he have like a choke slam?
Bobby actually just a dry, like, wrestler. Maybe he had no signature stuff. He just wore black tights.
It was just swole. Like, Bobby Lashley or Batista? Re-entering one of the trails at the forest, which is the El Yunque Rainforest National Park. Y'all can hear the waterfall to my right. Birds squealing or chirping to the left. And a whole lot of miles ahead of us. Y'all can see softball. Jeez. A leading. We're gonna see what animals we find. I almost just killed myself. Y'all just witnessed a fall. Crazy fall just now. That would have been crazy. They got a waterfall right there?
I don't know. When you showed me on the camera. On the phone.
It's a deep drop. Let's see. Waterfall like right there. Low there. But we're gonna go and find one. Find the waterfall. Get a better shot. Almost just fell again. We got these tour guides that's too sick, and they showing off their work. We out here lost. This is the top shot. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is a natural rainforest. And this is a great lookout of the forest. Great view. Not many animals making noise. They are scared of me. You heard it. You heard it. Where y'all at? Oh, hey, we got somebody talking. Got somebody talking? Okay, I'll find you. When I find you, I will kill you. Who jumping down there?
Neither of us. We just counted.
That's tough. And you see what I see. And you see what I see. I think we've seen the top yet. And the question is, are we gonna get there? Are we going to get there? And we found another waterfall. I'm trying to be Tarzan a little bit. Yeah. Oh, we found a Bigfoot or what? We found it. I think we found it. Yeah! Oh boy, that's some landslide, boy. Pause. If you laugh, you're sus. You're very, very zesty. Huh? I get in right now. Watch out.
3, 2, 1.
5. That bad boy clear too. Come on, I'm about to get in. Yes.
Look at them spiders.
Film it. Film it. Where's that?
If I was you, I would have kept my shoes on. So I don't step over rocks.
What do you
think that's the wrong with you?
Piranha.
What you got to say?
Yeah. I don't think I was gonna do it.
You didn't.
Actually feel good. It actually feel good. I bet this is how you become one with the earth. For all mankind to see. This is proof. This is pure. And you become fish. You start out as a minnow, you grow up into a daggone whale. And I'm gonna see if I can get it some more water for y'all. Never tell me that I don't do stuff for y'all. Let's go.
Say it again.
My boy had
In your pocket.
his drip is daggone a 6.2 right now. I only talk to people with over 7.1
Rate your drip.
drip level.
Rate his drip. Rate his drip.
Rate my drip.
It's like a 4.
It's a 10 to me.
4.
I think a 4 because you got them ugly ass cross signs.
Oh.
This is where we going next. I'm gonna get into the water again for y'all. And we gonna see if that one better, or if this one better, or the other one better. All right, let's go. Come on.